there, and I'm back with another video tutorial. This time I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful mirrored tray. I decided I wanted to make a tray for my bathroom just to place a few things on. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and this tutorial, and let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so for this tutorial, one of the things you're gonna need is you're gonna need a mirror for your tray. This I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and it's a very nice mirror. As you could see, it has a lining. The frame of it is very pretty and decorative, and it has silver inner lining as well that resembles a little bit of diamond, like there's no diamonds, but there are silver linings on the inside, which is very pretty. You're gonna need a glue gun, some glue sticks, of course. I have E6000 that I do intend on using, but for purposes of this video, I'm gonna be using my glue gun to speed up the process because I don't want to wait. So I'm using my glue gun, but once everything is done, I will go back and reinforce everything with my E6000. Pliers of some sort, because for the back of the tray, I'm just gonna remove the metal things at the back of the tray. And I decided I want to spruce up my tray a bit. So for that, I'm gonna use some of these clear gems. You could find this at the Dollar Tree. I did not purchase this for the purpose of this video because I already had some of these sitting around in a vase somewhere. So I just pulled out the clear ones, and I'm gonna use them for the base. I'm gonna use 2 of them and stack it up for the base. And then along the edges of my tray, I will also use these gems. And again, I'm keeping my frame because of the decorative piece, and I could see me in here, but because of the decorative piece of my frame, I'm gonna keep that and add my gems along the outside of my frame. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna clean my mirror. And this project should only cost you about, well, for me, technically it's costing me $1 because I only had to buy the mirror. But if you want to go out and get gems and spruce up your mirror, it should cost you no more than $5. I mean, your mirror is $1, and if you want to spruce up the edge with the same clear flat stones, not marbles, but they're the flat translucent gemstones that I got from the Dollar Tree, probably 3 packs, 4 packs of those should do it for you. So now I'm just gonna pull out at the back the staple. Okay, so now that I've removed the metal pieces, I'm also gonna add a little bit of glue gun, glue stick, sorry, to the bottom of the backing so that it sticks better to the back of the mirror. Just a little bit on each corner. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my gems. I'm gonna glue them 2 at a time and stick them on. What I'm gonna do is, because they're glass or somewhat glass, I am gonna put a little bit of E6000 on the inside of the stone, just a dot. And then on the outside, I'm gonna apply my glue gun. So that way I have a little bit of reinforcement with my gems. That way my glue gun sticks it and it gets the reinforcement of the E6000 as well. Okay. And I'm gonna do that for all four before I stick them on. Okay, so now that I have all four of my feet, I'm gonna apply those to my mirror. And again, I'm doing the same thing. A little bit of E6000 in the middle. Hot glue around. Okay guys, so this is my feet for my tray. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick this on the inside of the lining, right on the inside here. I'll do the first one, just a little dot. Okay guys, so now that I've done one side of my tray, I am going to reinforce it with some E6000. And what I'm gonna do is just line it where it meets the tray. And then I'm gonna give it some reinforcement where they meet. Okay, I am gonna keep doing that and I will show you the finished product. See you soon. Alright guys, so this is the final product of how it turned out. I actually really love it. I think it turned out pretty good. I just finished laying it out, and as I stated before, for purposes of this video, I use glue gun or hot glue to attach the gems to the tray. So I'm not gonna put anything on it right now. I'm gonna let it sit out for a bit to let the E6000 dry a bit, because I did reinforce the gems on the inside of the tray with E6000. So I passed the E6000 along the inside of the tray, as well as connecting with each gem to reinforce it. So I am gonna let that sit out for a bit, but I did enjoy making it. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making, and I hope you try it out for yourself and let me know how it turns out for you in the comments below. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. If there's something that you want me to try making for you guys, feel free to inbox me or leave me a comment, and I will see you guys, or instead you will see me next time in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye guys.